Hello, hello, it is the Trading Captain. I am currently sitting down $4.99. Catastrophic loss. As you can see here, I only took 3 trades today, not very many. The market was very cold today, and unfortunately there just wasn't a lot of opportunities to actually capture anything. So to go over some of the stocks, we had MSGM, which was our main gainer. This was more of a continuation of the previous day, but unfortunately it was mostly just chop. I ended up not touching this. We had BKYI. This was one that made a decent move, but unfortunately it was a bit too cheap for me, so I didn't touch this one. I was also a bit worried about the daily, thinking that maybe people were underwater from the selling pressure, so that also dissuaded me. We had HLLY. This was one that had news. I tried trading it on this breakout here, trying to get a resolution, but it ended up selling off, so I ended up stopping out. We had MTVA. I ended up not touching this one. This looked interesting, but unfortunately, again, it was just a bit too cheap. We had PHIO. This one ended up just rolling over. We see a little spike here, but I mean, it just for the most part failed on the initial pop. And ATON, this one just completely broke down. I tried trading a dead cat bounce setup on this twice, but both times it ended up not really resolving well. I got a very tiny profit, but mostly negligible. So overall, we didn't really have any good moves today. There was just nothing really moving. It was very cold, not a lot of volume, just not a lot of opportunity. And that's just the reality sometimes, right? You can only take trades whenever you have opportunity. And today just was not one of those days. It is Friday. It's been a slow week. This was just a poor conclusion to that week. So going into next week, unfortunately, the reality is just that we need to keep being patient. We need to wait for those opportunities to come. And when they come, I can start to size up, I can start to take more trades, but until then, I just got to keep being patient. So that pretty much wraps up the recap. If you liked what you saw, do leave a like. I do stream every day from 7 a.m. till 9 a.m. EST, so if you're interested in that, you can check that out. And I will be back Monday morning for the next live stream. Take care.